Hello guys, welcome back to the series of Drawing a Girl's Portrait Part 4. In this video, I am going to cover my portrait's arms and shoulders. As I have always explained you earlier, we'll start with the base shade, that is with the HB pencil of Apsara. Always remember, drawing a base requires patience and soft hands. I will use this makeup brush to blend the shade. Here I will continue making the base on the hands and on the rest of the shoulder. In addition to giving the shade to the base, I am also blending at the same time. Here I am done with the shading of base. Now with the help of Apsara 8B pencil, I am giving the dark tones to my portrait. Before using the pencil, I will sharp the pencil as the sharpened pencil gives an extraordinary effect to your sketch and enhances the dark tones much better, and it is easy and convenient to use. If you look the sketch carefully, the dark tones are present on the corners of the elbow and hands. Slowly and gently following the reference, I will draw the dark tones in the same way I have drawn the base with the light hands. Here, if you notice the reference, the darker tones are on the dorsal side, borders of the hand, on the elbow and on the fingers. The easiest method to draw the dark tone is to shade them in the same direction as the base is shaded, then blend them as they are shaded. Here I am highlighting the corners with the Mono Zero eraser. Here the darker tones are darker in shade as compared to that of reference, because after completing the darker tones, I'll highlight the points with the kneadable eraser, which will give a natural effect to my hand. To make the fingers, first I will dark the tone of the dorsal side, then I will make the background of the fingers, and after that I'll highlight the fingers with monotone zero eraser. Fingers are difficult and crucial, so it may take a long time. Now here I am highlighting the dorsal part so as to make the fingers visible. Now finally my base shade and the darker tones are ready. Now I will use the kneadable eraser to highlight the parts. You can see how I am highlighting the dorsal bones, wrist and other bones like elbow with the help of the zero eraser, then again blending it with the help of the makeup brush. I will even use the monotone zero eraser to highlight the bones. Here I am almost done with my first hand. Now I am jumping on to my second hand, in which the girl is holding the wine. I will repeat the same steps which I have done with the first hand. First I will make the base shade, then I will darken the tones and then highlight with the help of mono eraser or the kneadable eraser. For these kinds of hands or fingers which hold an object with them, draw a rough outline of the fingers or the hand and then start shading between them. In addition to shading the second hand, I am also shading the object's background, which will automatically enhance the beauty of the fingers. Due to some technical issue, the rest of the video of shading the second hand is not available with me, but at the end of the video I have attached a picture in which you will understand how I have shaded the second hand. This was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching it so patiently. Meet you soon in the next series. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Moreover, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos.